open up the gearbox and figure out my problems with my air. Ah, damn it. Let's go. Yes. We are going. Where is... I'm having air seal issues, so I need to figure out my problem with my tappet plate or whatever is causing it to not feed well. Well, it feeds, but I lose air. Also, I changed the gears in this gun off stream to the EMG Helios 13:1. TechMat BBs are the best BBs to use in my gun. Probably. Some of them are actually still good. Okay, so this is the gearbox, and what I need to find out is if my tappet plate timing is just bad. This is my gun. This is a parasol umbrella, a parasol armory gun. But I want it to work because this is like this is like probably my most, well, it's probably my most worked on gun, maybe. But it does not feed great. Well, it feeds, it just doesn't have air. This is, I think I showed you this one. This is the one this is the one with the super high rate of fire. Oh, this one has the brushless motor. Parasol, yes, I don't know. I'm just making parody names of Umbrella Armory. So, in order to check this, I have to do a few things. First, I'm going to need to check my tappet plate. But I also need my barrel. So I can check. Actually, first I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check the shimming of my. You don't Teflon wrap your barrels? No. What do you mean Teflon wrap it? Because the only thing I Teflon wrap is usually like the end. I use O-rings here, and that's pretty much it. Instead of the mainspring. Okay. I need to figure out. I roll here and then to stabilize the barrel, but the O-rings are too small. Well, this is the max hop-up, so it already has the brass insert on the inside of this. This brass insert. So I've never I never had issues with not Tefloning it. You can't return new line on Twitch. I mean, I've you could Teflon tape it. I think I used to do that long time ago, but I didn't. I don't think like I think like doing these O-rings are a lot better. I could actually Teflon tape the inside of this, but um, I don't know. I've never. I feel like it's better to just compress this with the O-rings. Um, yeah. Gear ratio 13 to 1. Um, 13 to 1 EMG Helios. But I need to figure out. I just did this the other night. What I need to figure out is if my tappet plate is moving. We'll put some screws on. Have I tried without the layer chip? I have not yet. Where's my the layer chip on here came with it, so so now I'm trying to make sure that well, I don't think that I don't know. Okay, so I don't actually know if that's the issue or not. Could be, maybe. Okay, so this is moving all right. I don't think I need to do anything in this. I guess I could check here. Because before I was using it, I was using this gear. This is from a 16 to 1. The delayer is there to delay when your tappet goes forward to seal. If it's too late, then you won't have seal, and the piston releases. Yes. So this one. Picks up. It's not engaging yet, but then it engages. and then it starts moving forward here, and this goes all, this is now fully forward, and then the release. So now this is fully forward, and now this is releasing forward. So I should be okay with that still. Let me put this spring in. Did a 12-to-1 ARP9. Tried a layer chip, but it worked best without one. So, well, this is a 13-to-1. Plus, it's running a brushless motor. The RPS is really fast, but maybe I might have to remove this one. Actually, let me figure out. Let me see if removing it will change my timing, or how different it changes my timing. Oh, I don't even know if I can remove this. I'm not saying that's the solution you're after. I was just mentioning. Oh, yeah. My other idea is to change it to go back to the stock tappet plate also. So this was the stock tappet plate. Actually, I could check this. I could check it with this one also. So this one pulls back. Then it catches here. So this gets pulled back. And then start moving about halfway. Oh, no. A little bit towards the end already. So it starts moving here. I wonder if maybe this extra piece can be a little bit better. Or the back piece. And then here is where we release. piston goes forward. So it should be already forward. Actually, let me remove this one. So I'm here. This gets picked up. This starts moving forward. And by here, I should be in the all the way forward position, and then it releases. That's a really short timing, I think. Maybe I should remove the layer chip. Because then here. But this is also the stock. I don't know if there's a difference. There's a difference in wear, because this hasn't really seen a whole lot of use. Look fine to me. Let me check. Also, I need to change the nozzle out. This one had the 21, this one had the 21.5, and then this is at the 21.25. I tried both of these, but I still had the same issues. But so now I'm trying to figure out if it's the tappet plate. Because I have a lot better compression. Probably because the O-rings are newer on this one. Check this too. Oh shoot, it's not even on the plate. Huh, that's interesting, because even though this is the 2125, I feel like it could be a little bit shorter, but that should be making a good seal anyway. Because there's a little bit of flex in here. And it's not like it's the whole upper part is not hitting the wall of the gearbox. So this moves forward, feeds the BB in. But it's not completely forward. But that still should give me good air seal. And then it releases. Huh. I wonder if I need a stiffer spring. I think I have another one. I have this spring set. Okay, so this one feels a lot stronger than this one. Okay, I'm probably gonna stick with this new one. Okay. Because everything in the air seal here is good. All the compression is good. But something about the air getting lost somewhere between here is what I need to figure out. But I can already tell, like, that maybe my bucking lips are a little too long, maybe, or because when I can't push this all the way forward, I guess, but that should mean I have good seal, right? think. But this spring should be pushing it all the way in. So what you can do is we can take the piston out and just we'll take off the cylinder, and then we'll just put this on. With the spring, we'll close the gearbox. Put some screws in. The plot thickens. Yes. Okay, so with this out, I can feel the bucking lips getting pressed. Oh, can I rotate the gears from here? Let's see if I can rotate the gears. Oh, I don't have the anti-reversal latch in. Means it's just gonna spin back. Wait, let me open it back up. Okay. now that the anti-reversal latch is on, should be able to spin the gear, and then you can figure out what it's doing. Uh-oh, where did that shim come from? I may have to do a shimming again. Or I might have to recheck my shims. Okay, so I should be able to spin the gears. And then you can see the whole process. Okay, so it's picking up now. It's in the back position. And then spring forward. Yes. And then the piston releases forward. So it'll get to about here. This is about when the piston should be about to release. And then, so that means it's working fine. I wonder if I just put this back together now and then it just works. Or at least with this tablet, with the modified tablet plate versus this one, which is the retro arms tablet plate. But before I do that, I need to check the shimming real quick, because I don't know if I lost this, or if this was on the table already. Retro arms is 50-50. 50% like them, 50% hate them. The gearboxes are really good though. I like their gearboxes. Well, I've never had one personally, but I've seen a lot of good things from them. Did I lose a... Oh, okay. Well, looks like this was left over because none of my gears are moving. But maybe I'll just, I guess I'll try this modify. This is a modify. This modified tappet plate. I had to send one of the gearboxes back. Had some issue. I wasn't the tech. I never had eyes on it. Oh. What was the issue? Did the gearbox break? Okay. If I remember correctly, the holes for the bearings are misaligned. Oh, that's not good. Okay. I guess I'll just try and put this all together again. I don't even know. Does the nozzle touch the bucking and the hop up? Yes. So this is all the way forward right now. So yeah, so this is all the way forward right now, and you can see that if I push this in further, it's already, I can feel the bounciness, or that it's touching the inside. It's definitely making a seal in the front. Yeah, I can feel like rubberiness. I live in Nevada, Las Vegas. It's 9:35 right now. Okay. Put this one here. So put the lower in. test this right now. Hold on. How am I gonna test this? Where's my chrono? Actually, hold on one second. I'm gonna feed some BBs in here. Need a mag. Where is my mag? Oh, hold on. I'll be back in a little second. Okay, I had to go get some mags from my car because all my good stuff are in the car. But I'm gonna load up for this one mag, and then I'm gonna see what if my FPS changed or not. Hold on, I'll be back. I need to go shoot into a box real quick. not looking good. Okay, well, it's not looking very good still. It was doing about 150. So now, maybe I'll remove the layer chip. We'll see if it messes with anything. Okay. So back to the drawing board. Now I'm wondering if this nozzle is a little too long. I don't have a 21mm one. And that maybe I should put like a spacer. But I don't know how I'm going to put a spacer onto this hop-up. I don't think I have, well, maybe I could put a bigger O-ring. Let's try that. Maybe that'll work. I need something smaller. Okay, so this O-ring is fatter. So this one, actually maybe I didn't need to. Maybe I didn't need to take the gearbox apart. Let's try it like this. I'm gonna try it this way. Maybe this O-ring is too fat also, so I don't know. I don't think this is in the... Is this in the forward position? Yes. No, no it's not. Into the body we go again. Actually, if I'm gonna do this, I might if this doesn't feed again, I might have to put the 21.5 in here with this O-ring. Maybe that will solve it. We'll see. Oh, where's the body pin? What did I do with it? Oh, here it is. Oh, the spring. And water plate. Try again. The only problem now, I don't know if this is gonna fit or if I need to remove an O-ring from the hop up. We'll find out. Already having a little bit of a hard time fitting it. I think I need to remove one O-ring. Or one O-ring from the front. We'll try that. This fattier O-ring. is in the way now. Okay, we'll be back in a second to load this gun again. Where did I put my chrono? Chrono. Where did I put the chrono? Hold on. What is my chrono? I'm shooting into this box, but look okay. Where did I put my chrono? Shit, hold on. I have to go with my car again. Different chrono. Oh, garage door noises. Yes, I had to go to to my car real quick because I had to pick up this other chrono. So it was shooting like 130 to 160. It was shooting better than it was last time, so I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna try I'm gonna go try the 1.5. Or actually, I'm gonna go check first. Check to see that it's making contact with the bucking. Okay. Also, something's weird. My trigger sensor is not registering all the time. Hope I didn't damage it somehow. Okay. I'll open it back up. This is the forward position. And this is with the thing compressed. It looks like there's a little bit of an air gap. So I think I'm going to switch it back out to the 201-125. Also, hold on, let me check this tight. I need to clean it. Looks okay. But I'm gonna switch this out for this one. I wonder if I should change the O-ring, internal O-rings out. It's probably okay. Okay. Attempt number, what is this, 3? 4? However many now. Try it again. Back. Body pin. Drag release. Rear body pin, I guess. Motor grip. And then the motor. Motor plate. Okay, and test again. Try again. This is the 2125, actually. Looks like after I compress it, looks like it's touching the bucking, so maybe this time it'll be good. Who knows? test it again. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Nope. What did I do? Wait, hold on. Before we continue, I need to check the Titan settings. Pull trigger detected when connecting the battery. Let's clear all this. Let's check the selector. Selector seems to be fine. Check the trigger. Seems to be okay. Let's plug a battery in. Oh, it's not fired. Oh, it's because the things are the triggers screws. I need to Loctite these, or but I have to tune it first before I Loctite the trigger. Okay, now we can test if it feeds. Okay. get an FPS reading because the gun does not seem to be firing all the time now for some reason. Like it's not registering all the oh, now it is. Maybe there's too much light getting into the gearbox. Okay, let's test it again. God damn it. Where's that? Where's that 1.5? Still not good. It's like 155. Okay. So that O-ring actually work, maybe, or maybe it's just because it's short stroked. That's why it's doing. Maybe I don't have enough air volume for the barrel. I did get a 130 spring, so hopefully that'll make it better. Let me go check the app again. The screw keeps backing in or screwing in also. Now I seem to be drawing more amps too. I don't know why. What's up? Yeah. Oh, is that you? I don't know what's going on, okay? I tried a bunch of different stuff. I did try to change the hop up. Well, I didn't change the hop up now, but I don't know why my max hop up would be shit. This is my second max hop up that I've tried, and now I don't know. So I tried a couple things. I changed this outer O-ring to a bigger, fattier one, which seems to have done well. Because now I'm getting a bit more consistent FPS at 155, 160, I think. But I changed this to the 21.5 millimeter. And then, but it looks like, but when I checked it, it looked like it was hitting the bucking. So now, right now, I don't know where I'm at least with what to do. I did order a 130 spring that's coming in. Oh, thank you, yeah, for following. um, I'm gonna that spring should be coming in. Well, it's Saturday today, so it's probably gonna come in. Hopefully, Tuesday or Wednesday. So I'll have a 130 spring, and then not sure. I'm wondering now if the short stroke doesn't match the volume ratio of this barrel. I think this is a 300, 360, 350 maybe? I don't know actually. Or maybe, yeah, I'm wondering if the volume ratio is not proper in this configuration. But then again, I was using these gears. These are the 16:1 ZCIs, and I was still under 200. But I didn't have this setup right here with the 200 with the 21.5 and the max hop up. With this fattier O-ring at the end of the max hop up. I changed the tappet plate. This was the retro arms, and I changed it to the modify tappet plate. I don't think it changed anything. I did change the spring, the tappet plate spring, to a stronger one, to a ZCI spring set, tappet spring. I changed it to that. Yes, that's currently my situation right now. I don't know what I might have done wrong, I guess. Oh, my motor height seems to be a little off, I think. What else can I do? I did try it with the 21, 25 and this fattier O-ring. But I was still, I think I was getting like 130s, 130 FPS. Actually, the hop up is also set to 4, so maybe that has something to do with it, but I don't think that's even a lot of hop to actually change anything. I have good compression. I checked the piston head. I even changed the piston head to a new O-ring, and my compression was really good. The 21, I think the O-rings on this 21, 25 was a little bit better because I think the O-rings the internal O-rings were better on this one because the compression was slightly better when this was held out. So when this was out at the front, the compression was a little bit better than this 21.5. So I tried that. What else did I try? I don't even know. I don't even know anymore. Oh, I changed the angle of engagement by adding a small washer in the front of the piston. So that means there's still a little bit of compression on here. I'm wondering if I can put some washers or something behind here to compress the spring a little bit more. Just so I don't have to wait for that 130 spring. What else? Oh, yeah, I'm also waiting for a different tappet plate. I'm getting a garter tappet plate. That seems to be used in all of Umbrella Armory's builds, or V2 builds. So I'm getting a different tappet plate for that too, which I don't think is gonna solve the issue right now. I don't know. I really don't know. I wonder if I change the barrel to a more appropriate one. Maybe it'll be different. My results will be different. Maybe? No. No, I don't think so. Or if I get a smaller barrel. Let me see, what else did I change? I don't know what else I changed. All the parts in here are like pretty good. I mean, I tried a different top up. Well, not on this current setup. I tried. Well, so first of all, this is also my second hop up. This is my second max hop up. The first one I sold to somebody else, and now this is my second one. And then I don't know, maybe I'll sell this one to Fisher because he wanted a max hop up. I could try another upper from a different gun. Which is in my car right now, and Big Mark has my other gun also. I could bring that one out and then check the FPS with that barrel and that hop up, but I feel like it's gonna be like the same thing. I'm gonna try it. Okay, I'm gonna try it anyway. Hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta go to my car. Okay, I'm gonna try it with this other setup. Hold on, I need to. Oh, wrong one. I'll try it with this setup. Oh, I can't take it out, I forgot. This is the VFC hop up in a different gun. I can try it again with this one. I'll just swap the uppers. But now this is running with like the 21.5. So I'll check that. Okay, hold on. Let me go test this now. Magazine and chrono. Okay, well, this upper is giving me better FPS readings. It's like 200 FPS. It's still not high, but it's a little bit better right now, I guess, than my max. I don't remember what bucking was in here. Could be the hop up to nozzle. And then you just need a heavier spring. Maybe. I checked that too. I checked outside of the gearbox. I checked this. And I checked it with hop up. What's my max? I checked everything with the gearbox, and then the hop up, and then the contact. Like this. Well, with the gearbox shell. And so I checked this, and I checked the 25, or the 21.5. I checked the 2125, which is this one. This one's the 2125, and it was okay. The only reason I put the 2125 back was because Have you tried a full cylinder? I have not, but I could. Could be the cylinder. I have this cylinder right here that I could try. And Teflon. Wow. How about no Teflon? Okay, we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna open this back up. This time we're gonna try a full cylinder. We're gonna see if a full cylinder changes anything. While we're at it, I'm going to put back this 2125 and maybe this retro arms. I'm not sure yet. Maybe. So you know what your O-ring, that your O-ring is fully expanding to achieve air seal. Keep the same nozzle, the 21.5. So you know. I changed I changed this O-ring out. This is the max hop up. I changed this O-ring out because the original O-ring on it was a lot thinner also, because I wanted to see if this was gonna make it better. So I mean, I could change this back out too. Gearbox. Gearbox is out. spring is compressed. Okay, look, it shouldn't even matter because I don't think the full cylinder will matter, because when I come here and I pull all the way back, this is where the last tooth is. Hold on. So this is where the last tooth is, right? And then you can start seeing, you can start peeking the cylinder and then the O-ring. I don't know if you can see that. Here, I'll bring it in closer. See? See? So that's the final tooth. That's the final tooth right there. And then that's where the piston head is at. So if I move it right to where it releases, like you can see that this is where it pretty much releases, and then you can see that there's the O-ring, the first O-ring, and you could even see the second O-ring if it focuses. Focus. Focus. Are you gonna focus? Come on. Focus. Or not. Not gonna focus, huh? Wow. Okay, well there. It was focused. Don't trust it. So I should still continue. Okay, well, I'm going to take this out. What's that cylinder? I'm going to take the cylinder. Hold on, let me clean this. Okay, cylinder, piston, okay, compression is good, quite good. If I change back to this one, I don't think it matters. But if I go to the end, like this, check the compression. This is the 21.5. Here, air leaking, but I have better compression with the 21.25. because I think the O-rings are newer. So with this, like this, the compression is a lot better with the O-ring, with the 2125, and this one getting pushed in. Like you can see, look, I'm straining to push this in. This is why I want to use the 2125, which technically is just the better should be the proper size. Or should I even stick with this modify? Try it then. The 2125 should be the proper size. Do I stick with the modified tappet plate or stick with the retro arms? I think this modified tappet plate is newer-ish. I think it hasn't been used that much. Whereas this one, I think, has been used quite a bit, but it's not like the sign of wear is not there. There's very little wear on this. So okay, well, I'm gonna try this full cylinder. Where's my spring? Okay. You have any washers to throw in your piston? The washer that I used is from a spring guide. The spring guide bearing. So you can see there's a space in the back of the piston head. That's actually a spring guide, or that used to be on a spring guide. The ball bearing one, not this one, but it's on a different spring guide. But that's what I used as a spacer for the AOE. So if you want to see so that's my this is my AOE. If you can see that, that's my AOE right now. Should be like that. That's how people do it. No, I mean compress your spring. What? What do you mean compress my spring? You put my piston in here? Or put the spring in here? Oh, you mean compress the spring from the rear? I want to compress it from here. I want to compress it from the cylinder. Hello, Repow88. So I want to compress it from here, or I don't know. I need extra washers for this one. I don't know if I have any. If I'm gonna be able to fit it. You can throw washers into your piston. I don't have a long enough screw. I don't have a long enough screw for the piston head. The screw for this only goes so far back. To fill the space in the piston? Yeah, but I don't have a screw that's long enough. Oh shit. Oh, I'm getting an incoming call.
Nate,
Yes, yes.
I mean, so what you do is you get like, all you're doing, you're not putting any, what's that called, any other washers on the, because your AOE is fine.
Yeah. Because I put that one washer thing on the end of the, between the piston head and the piston.
Yeah, so then just, what I'm saying,
Wait. Oh, I think you're breaking
what
up.
I'm saying, what's that called, is to throw washers inside the piston. So it acts as like a spacer inside.
Inside the piston? Between
Inside,
the
yeah.
spring, the
Yeah, so the
ball
spring
bearings?
is just, so it takes up space in the piston so it compresses your spring more FPS. Yeah,
Yeah,
inside.
but I don't know if my screw is long enough that it'll touch both. Maybe?
No, they're just like loose washers.
Oh.
They're like loose washers that you just put. They literally you don't need to unscrew your piston head from the piston. You just drop, like, you can drop spacers in there to, like, yeah.
Oh. Well, I don't have any
Yeah,
washers on hand, I don't think, that I can put in there. Or do you think I should use something else?
or I guess, or what you can do, anything that can fill the space of the piston.
Anything?
Just like to test it, because, I mean, if you, like, you know the Delrin washers that I was talking to you, like the short circle high kappa?
Mm-hmm. That's in
Like
my
that, you can drop
SMC9 right now. I don't want to take it out.
You can drop those inside the piston that have it like a spacer for the spring.
Oh yeah. I guess.
Yeah, or you can try. But I mean, no, that's what I do sometimes. Like, it actually works. It actually, like, raises like by 10 FPS, 10, depending on how many you put in there.
Yeah. I want those Umbrella Armory spring guide spacers.
Or what you can do is you can go.
Wait.
Let me send you a link.
Oh.
It's on Burl Armory. What I use for my old DSG build. What I use an M120.
Okay.
It's exactly what I was talking about, where you put they're like spring spacers pretty much, and then they just fill in your piston, not so you don't have to like mess with your. It's the same concept, but instead of putting it over the spring guide, it goes inside your piston.
Oh, gotcha. So you
So
get
you can do
more,
that.
so that you get more jewel creep. I heard.
Wait, what do you mean by jewel?
I heard that having a heavier piston will improve your jewel creep.
Oh, I have no clue. I have no clue in regards to that. I just did it so I could get cheap FPS.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay. I don't.
Yeah, if you want to take those Delrin washers out of your SMC9, they actually work for FPS, but I don't know if you want to do that. So.
I don't know if I don't know if I want to do that.
Yeah, so I was like, I don't know.
I don't know if I want to take it out right now. I mean, it's easy to take out, but I just don't want to take it out.
You don't have any.
I don't have any extra. The only one I got is the one from the high kappa. High
Oh,
kappa
you need
adapter.
something like stiff, like actually hard plastic, or like Delrin or something, or it's like something full, because it's gonna spring compression is gonna break it if you don't, and it's like not hard enough.
I thought about maybe just 3D printing something. I don't know if that's strong enough.
It should.
If it's thick enough, I think it should be.
Not sure. But yes, yeah, do for. Yeah, I guess you could just put it back together right now, please.
Okay, I'm gonna do that.
Alrighty, I will let you do your thing. I'll just be on the stream.
Okay, great.
See you
Later. Okay, I'll put this back together. Okay. I need to do something about this screw for now. This. Oh, where is that? Oh, this max screw keeps screwing in. Usually they back out, but this screw keeps screwing in. So I'm gonna take it out for now, because then my trigger sensor doesn't work. Okay. Okay. Body. Oh. body pin. And release. Grip. And screws. Oh, here. Motor and spring. Motor plate. Okay, that should be it. Why is this? This looks like it's pre-cocking. Okay, well, let's go put this upper on. Okay, we'll test this again. Where's my other rear body pin? What do I do with it? Stream is lagging. I don't think it is. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna test this. What is going on? Oh, it was shooting, but for some reason something's wrong with my trigger right now. I think something's wrong with my trigger. It's not registering. I saw I got like I was getting like 200, 210 I think. But I need to check this gate app. Because for some reason maybe this will be better. Oh, Okay, let me check this again. Hopefully that fixed my trigger, maybe. Or setting it up. I'll try it again. I don't know, I'm getting slightly better FPS, but it's still about the same. However, my issue now is that for some reason my trigger is not sensing. Like after the first shot, I don't know if maybe there's extra light getting into my sensor or something. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if there's like, I don't know if light is getting into my sensor because like, is this empty right now? Hold on, let me make sure this is empty. Oh, it's not empty. Fuck. Okay, so now it's firing. See, it's not firing all the time. Well, now it's firing all the time. I think it's the way I'm holding it or something. Something about the way I'm holding it that makes it not fire. Because now it's firing. Oh god. Oh, now it's not. Look, now it's not firing. But if I hold it a certain way, it's firing. So I'm guessing there's like light or something getting into the sensors. Or maybe there's just grease on the sensor. Maybe, I don't know. But my FPS, I guess it's improved, maybe. You have another spring? No. I mean, I do, but they're not like heavy tension spring. I don't know. I don't know what weight those springs are. Or I can't really tell. So it looks like it's working with this hop up, or at least this upper with this barrel. what I want now is to get it to work with this max hop up. I don't even know if that 130 spring will solve my problems. Actually, I'm not sure. Actually, I'm gonna change out this O-ring. I'm gonna change out this O-ring for the stock O-ring, for the normal O-ring. And then I think I'm gonna put one of these barrel O-rings on top. So that I have three rings now. This is, and I'm gonna put it to 0 hop. Also, I heard that because this is a brushless motor, that you need to turn off active brake if you have a brushless motor, or at least like less than 10% active brake. So maybe that helped. I don't know. I'm not sure. You never know. Where is... Or, I don't know, maybe I wonder if my trigger sensors are just dirty. I think I wiped them down. What happened to my rear pin? Okay, let me go try this one again. I have like 15 rounds. Let's see what FPS this gets me. Okay, there is some improvement. I was getting like 220 now. So maybe with the 130 it'll put me up to, I don't know, 270 maybe. It's on 2/8. I guess it's the full cylinder, but I'm also having issues still with the with the trigger sensor. Do I want a 150 spring? Maybe. Maybe. Or my trimmed 170? Probably. I don't know if that'll break my gearbox faster. I don't. I'm trying to delay breaking my gearbox, but I also, just so I can have some use with it first before I buy an actual Retro Arms gearbox shell. But I'm seeing, but it looks like it's getting a little bit better. I just don't know if, at this point, I might as well like DSG it. I feel like with this short stroke. Oh, also this, yeah. Oh, this is also on 28s, so 219 or 220 on 28s. So with twos, yeah, it would probably be at 300. But this is also like short stroked. This is the EMG gears. I really should just get spacers somehow. I think. And just compress the spring. Still low DSG. Yes. Even if this was a DSG, it'd be pretty low. I'd need to put like a 160 spring. I would. What I really need to put is, I need to measure the spring guide, because Umbrella Armory sells there's two versions of the spring guide spacers. There's a 10mm one and an 11mm one. So I need to measure what the max spring guide is so I can buy which one it is. If it's the 11-meter one though, they don't have it in stock, so I can't buy those. But if it's the 10mm, they have them in stock, so I can buy spring guide spacers from their site, I guess. Up and say is once spacers are in, it is a pain to put back in the gearbox. Oh yeah, especially since I don't have a quick change spring in this. But I really should probably clean these sensors. I don't know why it's not triggering all the time. It was like firing all the time, but now it's giving me some issues. Spacers, yeah, so Umbrella Armory sells, well, you can do it two different ways. So, Umbrella Armory sells these spacers. So they're basically fat ass washers. And then you just slip them over the spring guide so they can stack. They can go like up to here or like halfway up the spring guide, and you can increase or decrease your FPS just by removing these spacers, because it's kind of like the KWA variable spring guide, and also the SEMA Platinum spring guides, where now you can adjust the tension on how much you want to do, how much tension you want on the spring. You can do it here through here, and you can also do it through the cylinder or the piston. You can add some washers in there, and you can also make the piston heavier, because apparently if you get heavier pistons, you can improve your joule creep ability. So you can get better joule creep when you go to higher weight BBs. But if I get if and when this gearbox does break, which right now there's no signs of it looking like it's gonna crack anytime soon yet, I don't think. Then I'll get that Retro Arms gearbox shell, and then you can do the quick change spring stuff. Well, depends on the gun. It depends on the maker. But I would rather have that variable. If I wanted to set the variable spring tension, that would be my way to go, I guess. But I think this gun is okay for now. For now. I'm gonna wait for my 130 spring, or unless, I guess, if I get that 150 spring, maybe. But I already ordered a 130 spring, and I also ordered a different tappet plate because I thought that maybe my tappet plate was not good. But apparently it's okay. It's still good. Like the wear on this is not. There's not a whole lot of wear on this, so I'm getting one of those. And yes. Where is it losing air? I think it's just through the hop up. That's what I'm guessing. Through the hop up here. I don't know. Because it's weird. It's weird because, like, in your AK, like, you have a 150 spring, but you're shooting 1.5 joules, or around 1.5 joules. Yet, on this setup, I can't even get 1.5 joules. I can't even get 1 joule. I can't even get 1 joule right now. And this is a 125 spring. Unless this spring has been, like, weakened over time. 1.6. Yeah, so unless this spring has weakened over time, then I don't know why I wouldn't be getting at least 1 joule. Even though everything here, the compression and everything here is good. I even switched from this ported cylinder to this full cylinder. And I mean, it made a difference. It seems like it made a difference. Unless shit was just wrong. And then I switched this newer 2125 nozzle, and it's a lot better also. Um, but the air that's I'm leaking at is somewhere is is like in front of the gearbox somewhere. I don't know where it is. Do the heads line up? Yes, I checked all of that too. Oh, the piston. Are you talking about the piston head and the cylinder head? They should be. But I also checked like this. I checked this outside of the gearbox, and I compressed the piston, or fully extended the nozzle when I had the gearbox open, and I was checking to see if this is all fitting, and it was fitting. Even the 2125 that I had before, like it was touching. That's why I tried different approaches to try and make this better. I did that at one point also the other day, before I put in these EMG Helios, the EMG Helios gears that it's in here now. I Oh, why is the piston back right now? Oh, I don't know. Because I don't have I didn't set the I turned off active brake. Yeah. Oh, so the other day when I was testing this also, like I completely took out the cylinder and I just put in the piston and the cylinder head, just so I could see the travel of the piston, and it looked fine, I guess. I didn't run it though. Why? I think. Wait, let me put. I'm gonna put like maybe 10%. Oh, another thing that I'm gonna experiment with is I'm gonna put some capacitors to this battery lead. I'm gonna put a capacitor on here, or it's gonna be soldered onto here. And then I don't know. I'll see how that cleans up the signal noise. But let me check. I need to check. What did I have to check? Oh, my active brake. I'm gonna go. Oh, I can't do 10% because I don't have expert. I only have advanced. 20% is okay. Okay. So with 20% active brake. See, now it's going forward. Let's try. Let's try 50. Let's try 30%. Or 40%. think it's okay, but I think 20% should be fine. I think it's because this is a brushless motor. And I'm pretty sure you don't need active brake on brushless motors already anyway. Actually, let's go back and try it. Or 0% active brake. Chrono? Oh, what chrono? What do you mean? Oh, with the active brake? Oh yeah, see, it's always like, it's as if it's pre-cocked if I have 0 active brake. Almost pre-cocked, or actually I think it is pre-cocked. If I put 0 active brake, it'll pre-cock it. That's interesting. I can chrono it. Yeah, I guess I could chrono it with active brake. I don't know if it'll matter with 20%. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time. Okay, so there's 20% active brake on this, and then we're gonna put in our max upper. Okay. Chrono. Okay, well, I think it dropped. It looked like it dropped. It's like 212. I don't know if I did something else wrong or something's not aligning. Maybe. Oh shit. And this is with 20% active brake. So, not sure. I guess I'm just gonna wait for that spring, and then we'll see what happens from there. Oh, what happened to my screw? Is this it? Oh, it's this one. I'm gonna go and guess right now that this spring is just weak. Or maybe I just left it on precock for the longest time. That's why. Yeah. Gonna wait for those parts. But when those parts get in, I'm gonna be working on the ARP9, unless Mark wants to work on it. Oh, Mark, if you want to work on that ARP9, all you have to do is install a gate tighten. A gate tighten in an ARP9. Can you do it, Mark? Or do you want to do it? It's even an expert version with the Bluetooth. Is the ARP9 for sale? No, I'm putting on Titan in there. The guy gave me money to buy it, to buy the ARP9 Expert with Bluetooth, with a Bluetooth dongle. So I'm gonna be installing it in that. I don't think he's gonna sell it. I think later on, because he already paid me the money. I already ordered it, but I also put in the order for that 130 spring, the tappet plate, and something else. Something else. Hold on, let me check what I ordered. There was something else. Oh, another max hop-up. I ordered another max hop-up. That's what I ordered. So, I'm just gonna wait for that to come in, I guess, and then we're gonna do the install on the ARP9, as well as maybe putting the 130 in here. I guess. Oh God, I hate AEGs. I don't even know if I want to do fucking Payong Industries or Payong fucking Armory now. Oh, I should put this in. Oh, you know what? I could put like these O-rings. Maybe I could put O-rings on here. Or put them behind, maybe? These O-rings seem to fit. They're just gonna compress. And then get eaten up by the spring. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I'm trying to compete with Umbrella Armories, okay? I want to be able to charge $1,500 for a gun. Where's that? Where is my pick? Where did I put that pick? Alright, anyways, unless you have some other suggestions, ye aiders, for me to do, I think I'm ending the stream now. Also, you should get these O-rings. You should get these number 14 O-rings, because they work really, really well. Look, I bought 2 packs of them. $10 or no, what was it? $5 or less than that for 10 O-rings. You get 10 O-rings per pack. MP5 has good compression. Teflon is cheaper. I do. I have a whole pack of Teflon also, but I never use them. I have more. I have another few rolls of these too. Teflon is cheaper. If I was gonna use O-rings, or if I'm gonna use Teflon, it's probably gonna go into like the inside of these nozzles. Your air seal fix was there with you all along. Oh, probably. Only if I put it on the cylinder head here. I don't know if that'll help. Teflon is the fix. Perhaps. Maybe. Where would I put Teflon in this one? The compression is already good right now. On this nozzle, not so much. On the 21.5. But because this is newer, it's better. I don't know. Now what am I gonna do with this? I guess I can put this in another Payong Armory build. Look, this is also an anti-heat cylinder. When you're going 30 plus RPS, you're heating up your O-rings and everything. Oh god. Anyways, I'm gonna end the stream here. Unless you want me to do something else, but and then maybe eat something. I don't know. We'll see. Just waiting for parts for this gun, and then that's it. Show us your high kappa. I don't have it here with me. I have to go into my room and pick it up. Maybe I gotta take the camera off. Mukbang. Yes, I'll do the mukbang eventually one day. Maybe. Oh, mukbang and airsoft. Mukbang and airsoft. That's that's the new meta. I don't know where my... Oh, I have these. What do I have? I forgot, I still have to install this. I forgot that I have these. You're gonna have Cheeto dust on the sensors. True. I just forgot that I still had these. This is the Cow enhanced high flow nozzle. The one that said that it was going to increase your FPS by like 15-20% or something like that. Maybe I will install this tomorrow, maybe. So I'll bring out the Limcat, and I'll install this in the Limcat. and then I guess I'll test the FPS maybe. I think I have air. I should have air. High kappa maintenance. Oh yeah, maybe I'll do that. I'll try that tomorrow. While I wait for parts for this gun. I'll install this one. I think there's two springs in here. The black spring. I think the black spring is supposed to be the better one, maybe. Or the black spring is supposed to be the higher tension one. Maybe. I think it is. Actually, I can't tell. I can't really tell. The black spring is slightly longer, but then again, it's also wider. They're probably the same. Or maybe you just install both of them together so that they're like this. You can do that with your AEG springs, so no need for the 130. Wait, what? What do you mean? I forgot what I said. Oh, double spring it? I'll double spring. Double spring with the AEG springs? Make it one. Maybe. Anyways, I think that's it. Maybe this tomorrow. Or limb cat tomorrow. And then that's it. Until these parts come in. Okay, I'll see you later.